Hey guys, Tim from KT Strategic here. We're going to be talking about the CRKT Techliner today. It's their pen that they've released. It's a anodized aluminum body with some magnets. We'll take a closer look at all that here in a moment. As you can see, inside, if we can get it out, is the refill, which happens to be a space pen, a Fisher space pen refill, made specifically for CRKT for this. And you can see the magnet and the little O-ring right there. Be careful not to lose those when you do take this out. It's pretty easy to lose by accident if you're not careful. As you can see, very solid aluminum body. Everything's aluminum. It's all metal construction. Put the magnet on first and then the O-ring, and then you slide both in. There's your Fisher space pen refill, again, especially for CRKT. And here's the sample of the Write in the Rain paper we're going to use. Thanks to Write in the Rain folks at SHOT Show this year for providing that sample. And as you can see here, it writes very nicely. I didn't try to write anything legible because you wouldn't be able to read my handwriting. I've been told I write like a doctor despite not having an MD after my name. But as you can see, it does write very nicely. I'm pretty impressed with how well it works, actually. So, no worries there. Writing underwater or, in the rain or whatever, which is probably a little more likely for most of us. Pen cap, it's really slick. It magnets right on. Very satisfying click on both ends of the pen. I'm a big fan. It's very tactile, kind of a Steve Jobs-esque tactile to it. It's definitely a little more low profile than some tactical pens on the market. As you can see, it fits nicely on a white uniform shirt or on a blue one, or even on a dress shirt. It doesn't look out of place. You wouldn't get any side eyes if you pulled it out at a meeting, unlike some of the other tactical pens on the market. So those are my thoughts on this pen so far. Again, it's the Techliner by CRKT. Thanks to CRKT for the sample, and thanks to Write in the Rain for the sample of their paper, allowing me to do some writing underwater. That's all for today. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.